Hello students, today I will start a new topic, more layout tab commands. I will explain you the more option given on the layout commands. Okay, now select, first you will select the chart. Okay, after that you will click on the layout option. Okay, then you will see these option. Okay, these are option of the layout tab commands. Okay, so understand one by one. This one is called chart elements. Click here in this arrow, and after that you can choose any chart elements. Okay, you can choose any chart elements. Okay, that is the use of this one. Next, this one is called format section. Click on it and you can apply any format, look, which you want. Got it? That is the use of format section. Now this one is used to insert a picture. Through this option you can insert any picture in your chart. Okay, in your chart. Got it? Now next, save. Click on this option, and after that you can insert any type of save in your chart, look. Okay, next one, text box. Click on this button, after that click on in your chart, and you can enter and you can insert any text. Okay, that is use of text box. Next, chart title. By using this button you can insert a chart title. That one is already explained by me in first video. Okay, click here, and after that you can insert chart title. Okay, just double click on it, and after that you can rename it. Okay, next, access title. You can use this one to insert access title. Look in the chart here, you can enter the access title. When you click on the vertical option, okay, then you can insert access title in the y-axis. Next one, legend. This one is called legend. You can apply this option to change the style of the legends. So legend at the top, so legend at the left side. Okay, so in this type of changes you can do with the help of this legend button. Next one, data labels. Click here. Okay, and after that watch here, you can insert the values, okay, as the label. So this one is called a data labels that you can use. Got it? Now next one, data tables. You can see here is the data table and here is the chart, but if you want to represent a chart and table both together, then you can use this option, choose chart, click on the layout option and click data table. So data table, then you can see you can present a chart as well or data also. Okay, that is the use of data label. Next, use of axis horizontal. Look, without labeling, so you can see the label is hidden. So this type of changes you can do. So right left, so left right. So in this type of changes you can do with the help of this button. Next one, grid line, you can see horizontal lines. Okay, our default is the major. I am going to choose minor grid lines. Look, that is called minor grid lines. Again I am going to choose vertical grid lines and minor, and you will see, look, okay, that is called minor grid lines, vertically and horizontal. Okay, so all the commands given in your book has completed. Chart element, format section, picture, shapes, text box, chart title, axis title, legend, data labels, data table, axis and grid lines. Okay, next one is formatting the chart. How will you do a formatting in the chart? First, select the chart. Okay, after that choose a format option. Look here. Okay, you can apply the format option. Select the chart, fill option. Look, okay, save fill. You can see the changes. Okay, so that is a part of formatting a chart. Got it? If you want to change the shape of the text, select the text, and after that you can choose a different shape of the text. Okay, you can also use the fill color. Okay, and change the text color. Got it? So with the help of this tab, format tab, you can format the chart. Means you can change the color of the bar, you can change the text color, you can change the background color, etc. Got it? Any confusion? Look, shape effect, shadow effect. So this type of changes you can done in your chart. Next topic is grouping of worksheet. How will you group a worksheet? Okay, the main purpose of this one, you can apply your same command to all worksheet. You can give a same you can use the same commands for all worksheet. Okay, so same type of commands if you want to done on the all worksheet, you have to group it. How will you group it? First, you can see I have 4 worksheet in this MX Excel file: column worksheet, line worksheet, pie worksheet, donut worksheet and area. Okay, so how you will make a group? First you will click hold the control key. Okay, and after that first you will hold the control key. Wait. Okay, and after holding the control key, I cannot do this because I am in one hand I am holding my phone. so it is difficult for me. So I'm going to put my phone for for a few seconds, and after that I will show the video. So process is that first you will use the control key to hold it, and one by one you will select all the seat with the help of mouse key. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Wait. Okay, now look, first I am holding the control key, and after that I will select all the worksheet one by one with the help of mouse. Okay, then all the worksheet will grouped. After that I'm going to select all the elements or all the data of the worksheet, control A. So data of all worksheet will select, and I am going to press delete key. Now see, the data of column sheet has deleted, the data of line worksheet has deleted, the data of pie worksheet has deleted, the data of donut area, everyone has deleted. Okay, so I can apply a same command for all the worksheet. Okay, so for this purpose you can make a grouping of worksheet. How will you make a grouping? First you will click the first column, then you will press the control key, and after that do not leave the control key, and one by one you will select all the sheet, then all sheet will select, and it will make a group. Okay, so in this way you can select and you can make a grouping of worksheet, and after that you can give the same command to all, same command for all. You can do a same command for all worksheet. Okay, so that is the last topic of your chapter. In the case of any doubt, you can message me. Okay, then I will clear your doubt. Have a good day.